is my package from Kelly. It just popped in the mail and I haven't opened it, but I thought you'd like to join me for a very fast unboxing of her fabulous Spring 2 / almost summer collection that's hitting her stores this week. Let's take a look. Oh my gravy. How gorgeous are these colors? I am a super big fan of bold and bright colors, and Kelly just does this every time. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at those wonderful charms she has on the bottom. Those dangles and the crystals. And there's a hidden pearl there. There's 3 altogether on this bow with a velvet connector between the 2 loops of the bow. And of course, she has perfection all around on this bow with an alligator clasp and gold hardware. One of my favorites for sure on this collection. Here's the next one. Beautiful, beautiful. This wonderful lilac has a drop pearl with a double bow, and of course a satin finish in the middle with another gold alligator clasp. Here is another one of her classic bows. This is more of an aqua than a blue. I'll just pull out this blue. This was in her last spring collection, and this has a more pastel tone to it. This one is a more true aqua. And of course made with grosgrain ribbon, and of course the gold sparkle ribbon closure. Beautiful. Here is a single bow clip, and this is a blue. Let me reference this blue again. So again, this tone is more aqua. This is more of a baby blue. And here is the other one we just finished looking at. They look beautiful together, don't they? Who knew there were so many tones of ribbon? Again, this clasp here matches the clip here. Same construction, single bow with a velvet closure here. Here's a berry color. This berry looks absolutely phenomenal. Here's one was from last time. This is more of a pink, a brighter pink. Here is this bow. I call it berry. I'm sure it will be listed under something different, but it's just beautiful. And we have several different purples coming out. We have a lavender. This is a lavender, and it is slightly... I'm trying to find my lavender bow from last time. I think it's in my other planner. Grosgrain ribbon, of course, gold closure. This is more of a deep peach. And here's what I would call a plum color. Here's the 2 purples contrasted. Here's that first purple I reviewed. Here's the second one. Goes along with this wonderful dangle. I think they work well together. Look at all those colors. Beautiful. Again, here is another brighter green aqua, not a blue type. Here's the first one we reviewed. See how much bluer this one is? This one has more green in it. And let's get to those beautiful dangles. I saw them and immediately said, Kelly, Please, 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 can I have one of those dangles? Let's look at this one up close. It has 4 dangles on it. It has this marble colored dangle along with a flower in gold. Beautiful green there and another drop gold and purple. The next dangle is slightly larger. It has this wonderful globe on it. A plum globe with 2 extra dangles here. 1 gold, 1 plum, and then 1 clear. Here is the next one. Again, another plum dangle with a heart, or excuse me, a flower, gold charm. And the last one is this wonderful orange with a heart and another, excuse me, a flower and another clear. I can't wait to get these into my collection. This is how I store them normally. I've got my dangles here on a card, and I keep all of my extras with her classic packaging. And then I keep my ones that are clasps on a loop here. I can't wait to get them into my collection and into my planner. How beautiful. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you stopping by and checking out Kelly's brand new collection for summer/spring 2. I know you're going to truly enjoy it just as much as I usually do. If you'd like to save 15%, you can use my code KIM15 for 15% off any purchase of $10 or more. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.